How to use Trello. Want a simple way to manage tasks and projects? Here's how to use Trello step by step. So, first, you need to create a board. Each project gets its own board. Name it after your project, like client website or content calendar. Now, add lists. So, these are known as lists. So, since this is a project management board, I have created the topics list, working on lists, recorded lists, done lists, and uploaded lists so I can easily track my progress. Now, under each list, you can add cards. So, these cards are specific tasks you have. So, from the very beginning of the list, you can move it into the next list and then until you reach the very end to be able to keep in track your current progress with your projects. Now you can assign numbers for each card. So once you click the card, you should find these options under the card title. You can add labels, dates, checklists, and numbers. You can also add comments, descriptions, and you can track the activity of each card. And that is how to use Trello.